Understanding that the thermostat side of an air conditioning contactor runs on 24 volts is key to getting your AC system working right. Okay, so when you're dealing with an AC contactor, the thermostat side is basically powered by a low voltage, usually 24 volts. This voltage is what signals the contactor to close and let the high voltage side power the compressor and condenser fan. If you ever want to test or replace this part, make sure you're checking for that 24 volt control voltage from your thermostat or control board. Don't just guess or jump in without a multimeter, because messing with the wrong voltage can fry your system or even be dangerous. Also, if your contactor isn't clicking on, it's often because that low voltage isn't getting through, so double check your thermostat wiring and the transformer supplying that voltage. Keep in mind that some older systems might show a slightly different voltage, like 27 volts, but 24 is the standard for most modern residential HVAC setups. Knowing this helps you troubleshoot better and avoid calling the technician for stuff you can handle yourself. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with the thermostat side of an AC contactor is assuming it runs on high voltage, which can lead to serious electrical problems or damage to the unit. Fix? Always use a multimeter and confirm you're working with 24 volts before touching anything. Another common issue is ignoring the low voltage wiring connections. They get loose or corroded over time, causing the contactor not to engage. The fix here is to inspect and clean those wires regularly and tighten any loose connections. Last, folks often overlook the transformer that supplies this low voltage. If it's faulty, your whole system won't work right. Solution: test the transformer output and replace it if it's not giving a steady 24 volts. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, contractors get a steady flow of new jobs, making it a win-win for everyone trying to keep their homes cool and comfy.